Hey, I don't know if you noticed that there's a hole in the roof.
You think?
So, you bought a house.
You know, I go from one extreme to the next. Little house came up, I go, I could make that cute. Because right now it's not too cute.
It's not too cute, no.
Come on in.
Show me around.
Lots of things are gonna change. The doors are changing, all the interior doors, exterior doors are changing. We got kind of a galley kitchen. So this is all going, cabinets already been ordered. All new appliances are coming. So there's not a lot of storage in the kitchen. So cabinets.
So you're pulling this wall out.
I'm pulling this wall out. So that's going, these are going. This little alcove, I'll probably open this up to here just to make this more open for the front door. But I mean, it's got the cool, just like we did in the Rambler with the back banding.
It does, yeah.
And I'll paint all that white. I hate to do it, but I have to. I thought hard and long about keeping the bathroom fixtures.
I mean, that's a trend that could return.
It's not happening.
And there's a basement?
Yes, there is.
You gotta do stuff down there?
Yes. I'll take all this out of here. I'll move the wall in to give us a little bit more space. I'll take that out to give us more space. And take this out to give us more space.
You pulled the fence?
Oh, you haven't been here for a while, have you?
Nope. Garage looks a little different.
Can you actually see it?
Heck of a difference.
Dark and dingy. There's like zero insulation in here.
Really?
But it's just brighter down here now to shoot on.
It's crazy how different it is.
Remember there's cabinets there. And this is all dark panel and cabinets.